Welcome to Vites.
Oh, these are pretty. Tangerine punch, that's pretty. Kind of an orange. Orangey flower right here.
They're there.
Orange and red. Those are pretty. Super Bell's grape punch.
Yeah.
Super Bell's super cheap. They always use purple. I want to do something different.
So you're not getting so. You want to just
I've never seen a bullfrog. It was so cute. Is it
a little purple?
Yeah.
I have not seen that either, and they are very pretty.
They look a bit like snapdragon and pansies.
Well, they're all the same price, so they're all the same.
There. Grab this whole tray.
We got this. So I don't know. Look at all these. That is so pretty. We need to figure out what ones we want to put together though. Like, I like this combo right here. Don't you?
I like that one.
I really like this one, which is what, the dipped in wine. I really like that one.
And I like
This one right here.
yeah.
That one's really pretty too. This is Color Blaze Golden Dreams. This is the same thing, this is Golden Dreams as well, but for some reason it doesn't really look it. You know, it must be more yellow until it gets bigger. See how it's more yellow right here?
Yeah.
And then when it gets a little bit more mature, it's more red. This has got red and yellow. This is like the red and green. But I like this one too. Splish Splash Coleus. Okay. So Salvia, Rockin' Fuchsia, proven winners. That's we're gonna get 2 of those, right?
Yep.
And then 2 of these guys. So proven winners, Rockin' Deep Purple Salvia.
And then
the blue suede shoes.
yeah.
Proven winners, Rockin' Blue Suede shoes. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. But I think I don't want to get them already blooming yet, right?
I don't know.
I don't think so. So I'll get them all about the same size initially, right?
Yep.
It's so funny. Why do you gotta pick when you're trying to pick a flower? Like, what am I picking? I don't know. Oh, we did those two. There's 2 of those. And then trying to get them about the same height initially. There's those 2. And then the pink one, or yeah, pink ones, right? Rockin' Fuchsia. This is a little taller one.
Yeah. And now where are you gonna plant those?
I think on side of our house. South side of our house. Yeah. Yeah.
So in between ours and Brian's.
Our house and Brian's house.
All right.
And Denise's house.
And Denise's house. All right,
Now-
moving on. What's
now
next?
We need to find some Bronneron, which I think might actually maybe. And I want to find these teacup. I don't know if it's a hosta, but it's a teacup and a chocolate hosta, I think. But anyway, that's it.
All right, we're on a mission. So what did you get?
Probably easier to see what I didn't get, right? So we're at Vite Greenhouse in, I think we're in Canada, Michigan.
Yeah.
And we were just going to scope it up. So when I go shopping with Carmen, but I cannot wait. Because, you know, I just don't know if, I mean, I didn't get anything for hanging plants and stuff, but I did get some really cool stuff. Playing the blues, these are all salvias. Blue suede shoe salvia, and this is a salvia, rockin' fuchsia salvia. We got some coleuses. How cool is that? Look at those. Those are so cool. I think some of those are color blaze. See, these are color blaze, dipped in wine. This one of the other ones. Splish Splash Coleus. Look how cool they are. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
Kind of a burgundy and yellow. So now we just got to go home and plant them.
All right, let's load up the vehicle.
This one right here too. I was kind of a surprise. I actually got. Was it Baptisia? This one will end up having like kind of some deep purple buds, and then they'll turn into some like little yellow, they call them yellow peels. I'm not really sure what that means, but we'll find out.
Find out.
And then these are, I got 3 begonias. Proven accents, Pegasus. I think they're begonias. Yeah, begonias. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. I wish we found more of these though. These were super cute.
I know, I like
Super
those
cute. I
too.
mean, just one of them has purple and yellow. It reminds me of the Marion Giants. Sun to shade. All right. Hopefully
Right.
we won't kill all these.
Let's load up.
Load 'em up. Hold us or push down.
Yep.
All right, it's a good thing I bought this little tire pump this week.
Yes.
Oh wait, do you want to get your little
Oh,
yeah, those guys out?
Grab those.
Those empty. Whoa. Okay. I wish Carmen was with me. Well, you're a good company too.
Hold on.
All right, then I'll go ahead and put that. And here's this one. Why can't you open that up? Watch your fingers. I get my fingers pinched in here all the time.
I know, you have to.
So, I think put the Baptisia, like, I feel like put the Baptisia in those, because these other ones are already in containers, so put the ones in the container.
Put the ones that
already
aren't in the containers
inside there. Yeah.
there.
Yeah. Perfect.
I was gonna say they could stay in the box,
Well, we're
but
gonna go other places.
oh, we are.
Well, yeah, I'm looking for a hellebore. Let's take him by itself. Clear straight back, maybe. Because they can let themselves in. Ooh, bird, man! We still have room?
Here's mine.
You see how time I stuff this thing. You learn to wedge them, you know? These are so pretty. They're gonna be like, yeah, we gotta go to Wellfield today and see what that looks like. Okay, well I think that's it. Let's go ahead and keep that guy. Why not, right?
So we're a little packed. Make sure it closes. Got my doubts about that.